Okay, Gage just got Call of Duty Black Ops, and people keep killing him, and he's getting really mad.
3 more times, then I'm gonna break the game. Yeah, I am. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, I found a farmhouse. I'm picking it up. It's a little bit outside on you. It's not a cheap weapon. Shit! I died once. 1 kill. 2 kills. Hey, where are you camping? Oh, you're not camping? Alright. I wish I could, like, teleport to you or something. Let's do. Oh, Julie died? That sucks. Okay. Fuck! Oh, yep. Yeah, bye. I'm breaking it. You see this game right here, Brian?
Yeah. Gage, dude, your
I'm
mom
breaking it.
your mom just paid 45.
I'm breaking this game.
Dude, she just paid like $45 for that. You're not breaking it, Gage. Gage, dude, stop. Oh shit. Oh my god. You have fucking issues. You just broke it. Oh my god, Gage. Oh yeah, you're cool. Oh my god.